Let's proceed to the output devices. These are the commonly used output devices. We have monitors, printers, plotters, we have screen image projector, and we have voice response systems. But before discussing these devices, let's understand the types of output. We have soft copy and we have hard copy. When we say soft copy, not produced on a paper or not produced for material that can be touched and carried for being shown to others. It means a soft copy is temporary in nature and will vanish after use. What are the examples of soft copy? We have output displayed on the terminal screen or spoken out by a voice response system. The other type is hard copy. So produced on a paper or some material that can be touched and carried for being shown to others. This type of output is permanent in nature and can be kept in paper files or can be looked at a later or if not using the computer. So examples output produced by printers are plotters on papers. So we have here monitors. Monitors are the most popular output devices for producing soft copy output. So monitors will display the output on a television-like screen. Now we have a term VDT here. VDT if a video display terminal consists of a monitor and a keyboard to enter the data. We have two types of monitors. We have cathode ray tube monitors, look like a television and are normally used with non-portable computer. While the other type is LCD or liquid crystal display. These monitors are flat panel and thinner and lighter and commonly used with portable computers like notebook computers. Have a look with this. This is the CRT monitor and this one is the LCD monitor. Printers are the most output devices for producing hard copy output. We have a lot of types of printers. One is dot matrix printers, character printers that form characters and all kinds of images as a pattern of dots. And this type of printers are slow with speeds usually ranging between 30 to 600 characters per second. But this type of printers are cheap in both initial cost and cost of operation. These are the formations of characters as a pattern of dots. And we have here the dot matrix printer printing mechanism. We have ink ribbon here, paper below the ribbon. We have the print head pins and we have the direction of movement of print head pins that will move back and forth. This is the animated image of a dot matrix printer. And another type is inkjet printers. Printers characters that form characters and all kinds of images by spraying small drops of ink to the paper, and these printers contain up to 64 tiny nozzles that can selectively heated up in a few microseconds by an integrated circuit register. It can print many special characters also, and it can be both monochrome and color, and ranging the speed from 40 to 300 characters per second. But this type of printers are more expensive compared to dot matrix printers. Here is an animated picture of an inkjet printer. Next, we have drum printers, line printers that print one line at a time. They have a solid cylindrical drum with characters embossed on the surface in the form of circular bands. And the speed range from 300 to 2,000 lines per minute. So this is the printing mechanism of a drum printer. Next, we have chain band printers, line printers that print one line at a time. These printers consist of a metallic chain band on which all characters of the character set supported by a printer are embossed. So typical speeds are the range of 400 to 3,000 lines per minute, but usually this type of printers are usually monochrome, and those are the printing mechanisms of chain band printer. Next, we have laser printers. Page printers that print one page at a time consist of a laser beam source, and that laser beam source is a multi-sided mirror a photoconductive drum, and we have here a toner. And to print a page, a laser beam is focused on the electrostatically charged drum by spinning multi-sided mirror. Laser printers produce very high quality output, having resolutions in the range of 600 to 1200 dot per inch. But this type of lasers are more expensive compared to other lasers. Slow speed lasers can print from 4 to 12 pages per minute, while very high speed laser printers can print 500 to 1000 pages per minute. So this is an animated image of a laser printer. Next, we have plotters, are ideal output of device for architects, engineers, city planners, and others who need to routinely generate high precision, hard copy graphic output of widely varying sizes. We have two types. We have drum plotter and we have flatbed plotter. Please take note of the difference of the two. Now, these are the two types of plotters. Next, we have a screen image projector, an output device that can directly plugged to a computer system for projecting information from a computer to a large screen, and useful for making presentations to a group of people with direct use of a computer. So here is an image of screen image projector. Next, we have voice response systems. These are output that will enable a computer to talk to a user and has an audio response device that produce audio output. And there are two types for voice reproduction systems and speech synthesizers. When you say voice reproduction system, produce audio output by selecting an appropriate audio output from a set of pre-recorded audio responses. The applications of this include audio help for guiding how to operate the system, automatic answering machines, or in video games, and many more. When you say speech synthesizers, converts text informations into spoken sentences. What are the applications? First, we have reading out text information to blind persons, allowing those persons who cannot speak to communicate effectively, and translating an entered text into spoken words in a selected language. So that ends our topic for this week. And in front of you are the keywords or phrases that you are going to define and put it in your summary notes. And it's time for your 1-minute reflection. Answer the following questions. What are the salient or important things you've learned today? How do you feel about them? And what are the things that are not clear to you? Write your answers in a document, Word, and send it to the email address written in your Unit Information Guide or UIG. Thank you very much.